Thursday, November 12th. It's 2:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have another video update for you featuring the BWT Precision Autotrader. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, first up is the DAX on the Uni-Renko chart using the BWT line break algorithm as indicated here, and we have a daily goal of $2,050, and the daily goal was hit. Our equity curve started here at 14,719 and then rose to 16,787 or 16,780 approximately. So anyway, you can see it in the equity curve here. I'm going to scrunch this up. And again, we label our trades so that you can see these are not historical trades. This happened today. Anyway, the DAX, the BWT Precision Autotrader apparently loves the DAX, as we've had pretty consistent performance since I've been plotting it the last 2-3 weeks now. So again, the DAX, this time on the Uni-Renko chart that is not line break. So scrolling back on the chart here, we had a little bit of a drawdown and then a solid recovery about 45 minutes later, as you can see here. Beginning of the equity curve here, 6,800, drew down, and then about $500 per contract, which this is trading 2 contracts, and then we had several winners and only one loser here, and a closed P&L on 2 contracts of $14.75. Next, we have the gold futures contract on the Superenco 6-tick, and trading began right here about 8:20. So we had a couple of small losers, as noted here in the equity curve, and then the trades up here, and then a really strong winner brought us up, and then a little pullback, and then up a little higher with these winning trades here. So a little bit clearer picture of the trades, closing at 14.90 P&L for the day on 2 contracts, also hitting its daily profit target of 1,500. Okay, the DAX again on a different size Uni-Renko chart, and here I have smashed the bars together so you can see the equity curve that started here at roughly 16.3 and ended up at 18.5, giving us 2,200 in profit on 2 contracts. So this is about as close as I can get it to fit on the chart. So we see the losing trades in the scheme of things is not that large, as the DAX is pretty rich. So the rise in the equity curve, and then I will make the chart bigger so we can see the trades again. So looking back on the trades here, and sometimes if you go to this kind of bar, we can see the trades a little bit more clearly on the DAX. So this one also hit its profit goal and is also using the BWT line break module. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Superenco 7-tick. And this one has a modest goal, and we've seen this chart quite a bit, so showing some consistency. Only 2 trades beginning here. Notice the labels on our trades. So we had a short and a long, and then it hit its profit goal And of course, this could have done much more today, but we have a pretty modest goal on this one. Okay, the crude oil on the Superenco 5-tick having a mixed bag today, but finally finishing out at 1,090 on 2 contracts. So number of trades here, but closing out with a solid gain. Okay, another chart of the DAX, this time on the Precision Renko. So quite interesting that the DAX working on many different charts and time frames. This one did 1475, and I believe we have now the profit goal here, 2,500. Next, we have the E-mini S&P on a 15-minute chart, currently short 3 contracts with an open P&L of 862.50 and a closed P&L of minus 75. And it looks like the market wants to resolve to the downside today. There's about an hour and 10 minutes left in today's trading. Okay, some other contracts here with some minor gains. The crude oil and the Unirenko chart, trading 2 contracts, had a mixed bag today, but finished in the plus side of 360. Okay, coming back to our E-mini S&P 15-minute chart, as the market accelerates to the downside, I'm bringing the time and sales over here, confirming the price 2046, the E-mini S&P trading at. And a moment ago, we saw a red in the time and sales, meaning it was making new lows for the day. So as stated, it appears with an hour left in trading that it wants to resolve to the downside, as the pattern here suggests. We have a start and then a failed rally and then a push down, another lower high and failed rally, and now a push to the downside. So let's take a look at our volume profile chart and see where this market might end up today. Okay, so here's our volume distribution on the 30-minute chart. And it appears it wants to go to this somewhere in this 35 area, as we have the high of the October 20th here, and we have a point of control here that just now got touched. So it's really no surprise that the market came to this level and may stall a bit here, but to shoot for the low of the value area of the 22nd, which was a couple of weeks ago, this looks like a viable target for today's action, if not further to the 25 level. But given how much it's dropped already today, starting to see some red on the time and sales as the market makes new lows. Back to our 15-minute chart, I'll probably take out this first target at least. So an open position of about $1,000 net gain, but I think there's more to go on the downside. In any case, that's all for this video. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website and give us a call at the number on the website or contact us at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you again for watching.